Hey there Titans, welcome to Form Titan Basics. In this video we'll talk about the idea of section in the get. So let's head over to our form, Salesforce integration, set get, and let's just see what it is. So in the condition we have idea of section. Now let me explain a little bit about our scenario here. So you have a main section, so this is section A. And we have a section B and a section C. And what we've done here, what we want to try and recreate is we want to get all the contacts and map first name to section B and last name to section C. And we want to map the account name to section A. And let me just show you without setting the idea of section what happens. So let's just see what we mapped here. So what we mapped is the first name to section B and the last name to section C. Let me just save the form and publish this. So our query will run on a form load. So basically I'm just going to get the first 100 accounts. And now watch what happened here. It repeated the individual sections. So we have all the last names repeated within the sections and now in the main section. What we wanted to get here is the main section to be repeated many times for each contact that we have. So in order to solve this, what we need to do is to go to our get settings, head over to the condition, and in the idea of section, select our section A. So we're telling Form Titan, I want you to repeat section A. And now let's watch what happens. Let me just map the account name so we can see it more clearly. So we're going to head over to map and select our account name and map it to the name of the account. So let's do account ID and set our reference to the account name. We're ready to go. Let's publish this and let's see what we get. Now watch this. For every contact, Form Titan knows to repeat the main section, so we get edge communication, and then we have two contacts for that. So we don't get our inner section B and section C repeated by themselves. We can tell Form Titan which section we want Form Titan to repeat for us.